So now that we have our empennage in the aft of the aircraft, we've ended up with a configuration like we started with at the beginning. But notice that as we've added weight to the aft of the aircraft, our CG has moved aft, and now we have a CG at approximately 50% chord. So the way this aircraft is laid out, the center of pressure is usually in front of the CG, the center of pressure of the wing. So the H-stab will generally be producing upwards lift. So we could go and put the wing farther aft so that we have the center of pressure behind the CG. So let's go ahead and do that. So we move the wing aft. And now in this configuration, with the center of pressure behind the CG, usually the H-stab will be producing downforce. But that begs the question, where should we put the CG? So we have to get quantitative to understand where we should best put the CG, both for efficiency and for stability.